Good morning everyone. Today we are going to read out a chapter from class 3, second chapter Toy Joy. So let's start. Second Toy Joy. Some children are making animal and bird faces on old boxes, cans and paper. Look at my bottle, cylinder. I made a puppy face on it. It has white ears. I made a pig face on the box. Cube. It has narrow eyes. I made a bird face on the cone. Look at its pointed beak. I made a cat face on the keyboard. It has long whiskers. Let us do. Use old boxes, cubes and cuboids, and bottle cylinders to do craft work. Draw faces on them. What did you draw? On their faces. Jaya is building a rocket with her shapes. What shapes had she used? How many of each? Cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder. What shape is between the red cuboid and yellow cuboid? What shape is on the top of the orange cylinder? What shape is under the pink cone? Face, edge, corner. Collect objects to make a house. Name the shapes and talk about their faces and edges. Which are straight and which are curved. Also describe how the shapes have been arranged. What part of the shapes can you see from a distance? Devika went to a shop and bought a toy engine. Here is Devika's toy engine. It has many parts. Count and fill. 1. Red cylinder. 2. Yellow cones. 1. Grey cuboid. 1. Blue cube. Let us discuss. Here are some more toys from the toy shop. They are made up of different shapes. What shapes are used in these toys? Jaya made some houses using different shapes. Try to build such houses, towers, rockets, etc. using different shapes available around you. Note that a cube is a special type of cuboid. Let us play. Construct and describe. Ask students to sit in group of 4 or 5. In each group, one student selects any 3 shapes and puts them together. The student then describe the sequence of construction, and the other students have to build the same without seeing the original. 1. Let children take turns and play the game in the group. Example, the cylinder is on top of the cuboid. The cone is on top of the cylinder. Let us do. 1. Can you find these shapes in the classroom? Fill in the table with their names. Cylinder, sphere, cube, cuboid, cone. A. Name the shape that you find the most. B. Name the shape that you find the least. C. Name the objects that are made up of more than one shape. 2. Look at these shapes and answer the following questions. Circle the cubes. Put a tick against the shapes that are cones. Put a cross against the shapes that are cylinders. Put a box around the cuboids. 3. Name the shapes with no edges, with only flat faces, with only curved faces, with both straight and curved edges, with both flat and curved faces. Teacher's note. Let the students look for different shapes in the classroom. Ask them to share more examples of each shape. Talk about opposite faces in cubes, cuboids, and cylinders. They can turn the shapes and observe them in different orientations. 4. Which shapes can you build? Look what I made with clay and sticks. You too try to make such shapes. 5. Try to make these shapes using cubes. Let us play. There is a game along the border of this space. Roll the die and move the counter to the next picture associated with the number on the die, if possible, without crossing the finish square, and play the game with your friends. The one who reaches the finish, mark first, wins the game. Cylinder, sphere, cone, cube, cuboid, move 2 steps forward if possible. 6. In what ways are these shapes the same? In what ways are they different? 7. Look at a die. The faces have 1 to 6 dots. What number is on? The face. Opposite number 1. The face. Opposite number 2. The face. Opposite number 3. What pattern do you notice? 8. In what order is this model built? What shape do you get if you join a cube and a cuboid? How many cubes are used to make this shape? 9. In how many different ways can you join 3 cubes? Try and see. What possible shapes do you get if you join 3 cubes? 10. Name the shapes used in these models. Describe how the shapes are arranged to make them. A, B, C, D. 11. Use 6 dice to make the following shapes. A cuboid. B, a tower. C, any other shape of your choice.